Hello everyone, welcome back to Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures. I'm going to be quite upfront and honest here. Trailing arms, upper and lower trailing arms for the rear weren't high on my priority list. And I saw these pop up on Bronco 6G, looked into them, talked to some friends that had experience with them with Jeeps. Seemed to be a pretty good deal, so we figured we'd try them out. We went over to our friends at Attitude Performance to get these put on. We looked at the instructions. It does require you drop the tank, and you have to disconnect the tank. Something I've never done before and not necessarily comfortable doing it, and I had to get some other work done at Attitude Performance, so I figured I'd just have them knock it out while they were there. You know, they did have to get this thing realigned after installing them. I know some people said they didn't have to do that, but they did mine. So, but anyway, can't wait to get these things out on the trail, let them flex a little bit, see what they're made of. You know, and I'd be honest with you, I was a little apprehensive about the gold look, but it's kind of grown on me, and actually I think it's pretty cool. You know, a little bit more unique than, say, most of your Broncos out there. A couple of friends of mine got them too, so we got them on. We're ready to go. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe.